When you record, let your microphone record for 2 to 4 seconds at the start without you saying anything. After that, say what you'd like to record. Let's go ahead and listen to this sample here that I already have recorded. This is an audio test with a computer fan and a noisy AC system in the background. As you can see, there's a good bit of noise in that. At the beginning there, we can hear, obviously, an AC fan and a computer fan. So once you've done your recording, and you've left 2 to 4 seconds at the beginning here, go ahead and select about a second to 1 to 2 seconds of what you've recorded, and go ahead and click on Effect, Noise Removal, and say Get Noise Profile under Step 1 here. This basically is telling Noise Removal what you'd like to remove out of this recording and giving it a sample of what you're trying to remove. Now that we've done that, we can go either to Edit and say Select All, or use the keyboard shortcut Control-A, or Command-A if you're on a Mac. At this point now, we're going to go ahead and go back to Effect, Noise Removal, and just quick double check to make sure all of our information on Step 2 here, all the defaults are the same as what they should be. And this is a default setup. Okay, now we can go ahead and we'll make sure that this noise right here says remove and not isolate. Okay, and right here it says remove. And if we want to, we can go ahead and do a quick preview of that. But since we have a small clip here, we're just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and if you notice, there's not a bunch of little squiggly lines here on the waveform anymore. And so we'll go ahead and play that back again. This is an audio test with a computer fan and a noisy AC system in the background. Alright, so you heard how that took a lot of that noise out of there. There is still a little bit, you know, if you can hear it just a little bit sometimes, but it does the bulk of the work there. The rest of it can probably be gotten rid of with an equalization effect. The other thing to notice on this is the left and right levels here. If you notice as it's going, you can see there's kind of a little bit still there on the output level. This is an audio test with a computer fan and a noisy AC system in the background. What we really want is that when there's nothing else going on, there's no talking or anything, that this right here, that the input level there is output level is actually at is not showing anything on these meters here. So you see a little bit here, but then you can tell right there it goes away. This is an audio test with a computer fan and a noisy AC system in the background. Alright, and that's how you do noise removal through Audacity. This tutorial was created for the subreddit Record This.